Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings, which is way more exciting than watching paint dry, I promise. Today we're diving into an 8K report from Industrial Logistics Properties Trust. It's like a quick update a company gives to keep investors in the loop. Get ready because this one has a presentation that might just hold some clues about where this real estate company is heading. Before we get started, if you like getting the real story from these filings, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can discuss these topics. First off, this is a Form 8K filing, basically a current report filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. This report is triggered by certain events that the company needs to disclose to its investors. In this case, it looks like it involves an investor presentation. Industrial Logistics Properties Trust, or ILPT. ILPT is a real estate investment trust REIT that focuses on owning and leasing industrial properties. Think warehouses and distribution centers. They're based in Maryland and trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol ILPT. They manage a lot of properties and their performance is closely tied to the overall health of the industrial sector and logistics. This report is dated June 2, 2025, which means whatever event triggered this filing happened on or around that date. It's important because it gives us a snapshot of what the company was focusing on then. Okay, so this item mentions Regulation FD, which stands for Fair Disclosure. It means companies need to share important information with everyone at the same time, not just a select few. In this case, ILPT posted an investor presentation on its website, and this filing is letting everyone know that. This presentation is what we're really interested in. Now let's look at the exhibits. Exhibit 99.1 is the investor presentation itself. We'll dive into that in a bit. Exhibit 104 is just the cover page data file, which is a technical thing for the SEC. Alright, so let's dive into this investor presentation. Sadly, this document doesn't contain the presentation itself. But in general, investor presentations are important because they give management's view on the company's strategy, performance, and future outlook. They often highlight key financial metrics, growth opportunities, and potential risks. But while we are here, let's give our opinion on the company in general based on some external sources. Now, looking at these results more broadly, ILPT appears to be facing some headwinds. The industrial and logistics market can be very cyclical, meaning it goes through ups and downs depending on the overall economy. Higher interest rates can also make it more expensive for them to borrow money, which they need to buy properties and grow. One thing that stands out is ILPT's debt levels. REITs often carry a lot of debt, but it's something to watch closely. A positive thing is that the demand for warehouse space is still strong thanks to e-commerce. If ILPT can keep its properties leased and manage its debt wisely, it could navigate these challenges. Overall, ILPT is in a tough spot. The company needs to focus on managing its debt and keeping its properties occupied. Alright, that's our breakdown of ILPT's latest filing. What's your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.